So today we'll start with exercise 3.2. Let's see what the statement says. So we have to form a pair of linear equations in the following problem and find the solution graphically. So the question is given as there are 10 students in class 10th who took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So we have to find this answer graphically as mentioned in the question. Let's see how we do that. So let us say, so we know that total number of students equal to 10. So let number of boys equal to x. So let number of boys be x and number of girls is equal to y. So if total number of students are 10, then we should get x plus y equal to 10. So we can represent this as x plus y equal to 10. This will be equation 1. Similarly, they have said that girls are 4 more than boys. So we can say girls is equal to x plus 4. X plus 4. The number of boys plus 4. So we can write this equation as x minus y equal to minus 4. Equation 2. We can take either x minus y equal to minus 4, or we can consider it as y minus x is equal to 4. So I just multiplied the whole equation with minus 1, so we get this equation. So we can see here, so x minus y equal to minus 4. If I multiply with minus 1, we get this minus into x, minus into minus plus y, minus into minus plus 4. Okay, so we got these two equations, equation 2 and equation 1. So now let's find the points to be plotted. So from equation 1, which is x plus y equal to 10, let's take the points. Since we have to find it graphically, we need to take more than 2 points. We'll just take 3 points, x, y. So when you observe the question, you can see that both together will get 10. So I can, instead of taking smaller numbers like 0 or 1, we'll just go for 2, 3 or 4. So let's go with 4. So in this question, if x is 4, okay, so if x is equal to 4, 4 plus y equal to 10, y equal to 10 minus 4 equal to 6. So we get this point. Similarly, let's go for 5. If x is equal to 5, then 5 plus y equal to 10, y equal to 10 minus 5, y equal to 5. 5. So if x is equal to 6, then 6 plus y equal to 10, y equal to 4. So if x is equal to 6, y equal to 4. So similarly, we will find for equation 2. So for equation 2, we'll start. So equation 2 is y minus x is equal to 4. So if suppose x is equal to same value, if we take 4, then what we get? Y minus 4 equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 plus 4, 8. So if x is 4, y is 8. Similarly, if x is equal to 5, then y minus 5 equal to 4, y is equal to 9. And if x is equal to 6, y minus 6 equal to 4, y is equal to 10. 6, 10. So we got both the boxes. Now we can plot the graph. So this is the graph we have taken here. So since we had only positive values, so I have just taken to first quadrant, and this is the scale assumed. x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and y-axis same 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. So these are both the boxes we need, equation 2 and this box for equation 1. So let us plot for equation 1 points. So first is 4 and 6. So when x is 4, we need y as 6, and similarly 5 and 6 4. So let us plot these 3 points. So for equation 1 we get these points 6 and 4, 5 comma 5 and 6 comma 4. So this will get a straight line when we follow these points. So similarly we will plot for this box. So let's see where we get the values. So these will be the next 3 points which we get according to these locations. So we have to consider this intersection point of both the lines, and let's not forget to write the equation, which will be y minus x equal to 4. So when you see this properly in the graph paper, this will be much more clear. So this is in parallel with 0.7, and then if we draw a straight line from here, we get this at 0.3. So we can say that x value we get as 3 and y value we get as 7. What is x? Number of boys. And what is y? Number of girls. As you can see, girls are 4 more than boys. This condition is satisfied. And equation 1, 7 plus 3 equal to 10. This condition is satisfied. So hence these values are exactly correct. Always remember to verify the answers with your equations, because when you substitute these values in the equation, you should get the appropriate value here which is given. If I put 7 minus 3 equal to 4, I'll get the value as 4. So this is how we plot the graph. So next question, exercise 3.1, question number 1, part 2. 3.1 question number 1 is divided into 2 parts. So first one is solved. Now let's go to second one. The statement is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. So let's see. Let us assume number of pencils is equal to x and number of pens is equal to y. Okay. According to statement, so 5 pencils with 7 pens will cost rupees 50. So you can write 5x plus 7y equal to 50. This will be equation 1. Similarly, second statement says that 7 pens plus 5 pencils sorry, my mistake. 7 pencils plus 5 pens equal to 46. This will be equation number 2. My bad, the question was 7 pencils and 5 pens. So we got both the equations. Now let's plot the points. So if let us consider equation 1. So equation 1, which is 5x plus 7y equal to 50. Now if in this question, there is one thing you have to remember. You have to apply a trick. See, we have to consider x and y values such that it is simpler to solve. Suppose if I take x here as 10, if x equal to 10, assume value, then what will get? 5 into 10 plus 7y equal to 50. 7y equal to 50 minus 50. When I send this 5 into 10, this side will be 50 minus 50. 7y equal to 0. So we get y value as 0. So we have to consider x value such that it gives us value which will help us solve the equation easily. Similarly, if I consider if x is equal to, suppose say 3. So what we get? 5 into 3 plus 7y equal to 50. 5 3 is 15 plus 7y equal to 50. So 7y equal to 50 minus 15. So 7y equal to 35, y equal to 35 by 7, y equal to 5. Now, similarly, so we need to check something which comes in the 7 tables, because we get here variable 7, the number for variable y is 7. So let's see what all values we can take. Since here it is 5, so we will get only multiples of 5 here. So if I take 50 plus 10, will not get a value. I need 50 plus 20 to make it 70. So if I take here minus 4 for the next equation, I'll get here 70. Let me show you how. So if x is equal to minus 4, then 5 into minus 4 plus 7y equal to 50. 5 into minus 4 is minus 20 plus 7y equal to 50. 7y equal to 50 plus 20. This is minus. If you send it here, it will be plus. So 7y equal to 70, y equal to 10. So for equation 1 we got all the 3 values. So let me just create the box in the next page. So when x is 10, we get y as 0. When x is 3, we get y as 5. When x is minus 4, we get y as 5. No, not 5, 7, 10. Sorry, my mistake, 7. Yeah. So let us consider equation 2. Equation 2. What is the equation 2? So when x plus 5y equal to 46 is equation 2. 7x plus 5y equal to 46. So here we'll substitute values for y, because we already know for multiples of x 7 value when we take. We can just substitute for anyone. So let's see what will take values. So here, if x is equal to 8, so we have to do trial and error method to find the value which are to be taken for the values. So x, if I take 8, 7 into 8 plus 5y equal to 46. 7 8 we get 56 plus 5y equal to 46. So 5y equal to 46 minus 56. 5y equal to 10 minus 10. So both smaller number minus bigger number. So y equal to minus 2. So if x value is 8, we get y as minus 2. So let's check another value. If x is equal to 3, 7 into 3 plus 5y equal to 46. 7 3 is 21 plus 5y equal to 46. 5y equal to 46 minus 21. 5y equal to 25. 6 minus 1 5 1. 6 minus 1 5. 4 minus 2 2. So y equal to 25 by 5. Y equal to 5. One more value we need. If x is equal to we can just repeat this value what we got here. Let's say if x is equal to minus 2, if we take, let's see what we get the value. So 7 into minus 2 plus 5y equal to 46 minus 14 plus 5y equal to 46. So 5y equal to 46 minus 14 plus 14. 5y equal to 60. y equal to 60 by 5, so y equal to 12. So we got all the three values here. Let us put it in the box. So if x is equal to 8, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5, x is equal to -2, y is equal to 12. Let us plot this. We need to plot these points now. In the graph, we'll consider x is 10, 0. This is 3, 5. So last point is so third point will be -4, 10, which will be here. So when I draw a straight line, so we get this line here. Similarly, we plot it for box number 2, so equation 2. Let's see what we get the values. So after taking the points, we get this kind of graph. Let's do the equation. So equation 1 will be 5x plus 7y equal to 50. And similarly for this equation will be 7x plus y equal to 46. So we have to consider intersection point. So when we take the straight lines, let's see what values you get. So there was a slight mistake, so I just skipped over to the part where you take the straight line. Continue here. So 3 and y equal to 5. So that is number of pencils, sorry, cost of one pencil equal to x, and cost of one pen equal to y. X equal to 3 rupees, y equal to 5 rupees. If we check it with the equation, we get equation was 7x plus 5y equal to 46. So LHS 7 into 3 plus 5 into 5, 21 plus 25 equal to 46. So equal to RHS. So the answer is correct. Please be careful while plotting the graph. Taking the points properly is very important. Let's see in the next video. So says 3.2, question number 2. The question states that on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by d2 and c1 by c2, find whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point are parallel or coincident. So we have to find out whether a1 by a2, a1 b1 c1 containing line 1 and a2 b2 c2 containing line 2, do they intersect, are parallel, or are they coincident? So for this we need to go back and know how to represent these values and on what conditions we get intersection and parallel and coincident. So if two lines are in a plane, then only one of the following conditions are possible. So which is first condition is the two lines will intersect at one point, they will not intersect, which they are parallel, and they will be coincident. So some of you might be confused what is intersect, what is parallel, and what is coincident. For this there are line diagrams here. So this point here, this is called an intersection where two lines meet. Parallel lines, they never meet, and coincidentally they form in a single line. So if two lines are represented by an equation such as a1 b1 y plus c1 equal to 0, this will be line 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, this will be line 2, then if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we can say that the lines are intersecting and there is only one solution which we get. Similarly, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by d2 equal to c1 by c2, the lines are coincident lines and it has many solutions, infinitely many solutions. And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to not equal to c1 by c2, the lines are parallel lines. Depending on these conditions, we will solve the second question. Let's continue the question. So there are two given questions lines here. So we'll begin the second question. Now they have given two equations which are 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Now comparing equation 1, equation 2, equation 1 and 2 with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we get, so 5 a1 is equal to 5. See, with what is the constant value before x? This is 5. So we can write a1 as for equation 1, then what will be b1? b1 will equal to, you can see here it is plus into minus 4. You have to make it in standard format as this. So we get b value as minus 4. b1 is minus 4 and c1 is equal to 8. Similarly, a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to minus 9. Compared with the standard equation plus c, we should get here plus value. So we'll just take a plus into minus 9, which will be minus 9. a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 we got. Now let's find a1 by a2, which will be equal to 5 by 7, b1 by b2, which will be equal to minus 4 by 6. So 2 2s are 2 3s are equal to minus 2 by 3. As you can see, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So in this condition we know that the lines are intersecting and there is only one solution. So we can say that the two lines intersect and have only one solution. So question number 2, same type we have to do, comparing with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we get a1 is equal to 9, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to 12, comparing with this equation. Similarly, a2 equal to 18, b2 equal to 6 and c2 equal to 24. Once we get a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2, we can write as a1 by a2 is equal to 9 by 18 is equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, c1 by c2 is equal to 12 by 24 equal to 1 by 2. 9 the 9 2s are 3 1 the 3 2s are 12 1 the 12 2s are. So we can say that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So in this condition, from the previous part, we know that the lines are coincident lines and it has many solutions, or you can say infinite number of solutions. So we can write the statement as the given pair of equations representing the lines are coincident and have multiple or infinite solutions. So I'll begin with the third question. We have two equations 1 and 2, same thing, comparing the above equations with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is an equation of straight line. So what we do is we get a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 equal to 10. So this will be a1x plus minus 3y plus c1. So minus 3 is b1, C1 is 10. So we got these three values, and A2 is equal to 2, B2 equal to -1, and C2 equal to 9. So A1 by A2 is equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3 by 1 or equal to 3, and B1 by B2 is equal to -3 by -1 equal to 3. Minus cancels, and similarly C1 by C2 is equal to 10 by 9. So we can say that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. So in this condition we know that the two lines are parallel lines and they have no solution. So we can say that the given pair of equations are representing the lines are parallel to each other, and hence they have no solution.